Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about VLC tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you on how to create playlist with your VLC media player. Let me show you how. The very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on my start menu right here and look for my VLC media player. So here we go. Go ahead and click on it. After you open up your VLC media player, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on view. Under the view, go ahead and click on playlist. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to drag and drop your number of media file right here. So the next thing you want to do right here is to bring in all your media file. It can be audio or it can be video. Like for instance, I'm going to open up a folder right here. So this is my folder right here. I have a lot of video right here. So what I'm going to do here is to simply drag as many as possible video right here from this folder into the VLC media player. Like for instance, if I want to drag this video, I can select this and press Ctrl key down and I can select this. So then next thing I'm going to do is to drag and then simply drop them right here. Now we have it right here. After you have successfully dropped them, next thing you can do here is to right click. Once you right click, click on play. Now you are done. So once this particular video play completely, it automatically jump to the next video, just like what you see right here. The same way, go to other videos. So this is the second one right here. So jump to automatically, it's jump to next video as the case may be. So just like so, it's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your VLC media player, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.